Managing a team is hard enough on its own. The last thing you need is clunky HR software slowing you down, right? Well, good news. Today, I'm gonna be diving into UKG Ready, a flexible all-in-one platform designed to make HR, payroll, and workforce management way less stressful. So, whether you're tracking time, managing schedules, running payroll, or handling employee performance, UKG Ready brings it all together in one clean, easy to navigate system. Think fewer spreadsheets, fewer headaches, and way more time to focus on your people. In this video, I'll walk you through how UKG Ready works, show you its key features, and explain why it's become a go-to solution for growing businesses. Let's dive right into it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's ukg.com. You'll land on their homepage right here, where you'll see some features of the platform, as well as a quick introduction. So they mentioned that it is all-in-one HR and payroll software, so you can manage your employees as in HR or human resources, and also manage the payroll, and it does it all into one software. So you don't need to get two or more separate softwares for HR and payroll. UKG can do both of them. You can also watch a 2-minute video tour, or you can view the demos that are available. Now, scrolling down even more gets you or reveals some extra benefits. Here, the HR, payroll, also the talent, which is the part of the program, specializes in sourcing, hiring, engaging, and developing your people. So hiring new recruits, searching for new talents to hire or add to your company. And also you can manage and record time and attendance. So track your times, track the arrival and departure time of your employees. You can schedule and put the right people in the right tasks. So you can schedule tasks and delegate them to your employees. You can create a great place or a great network of communication between your employees at work to fuel the growth of your company. And also you can manage compliances, managing it with modern tools that help you minimize the risk. Also, you'll get advanced reporting and analytics to have a great look over your businesses and company's performance, and get trusted guidance based on these reports. And finally, you can integrate with many tools and form partnerships with other businesses. Now, here you can see some businesses that do trust them, as well as some video testimonials and reviews. Let's take a look and explore their features more. Now, if you go to solutions here at the top, you can see solutions by human or by business type, or solution by size, small business, mid-sized business, or enterprise, or solution based on industry, retail, hospitality, manufacturing, healthcare, public sector, and others. Let's take a look at the human capital management solutions or tools. You can see here that you can understand and empower your workforce with intelligent HCM or human capital management. Here they give you a percentage of the new hire retention through automated recruiting. So it helps you recruit the right people for the right job. As you can see, it's 95%, which is pretty high. And also this system helps you achieve many things, including the ability to have or to manage platform and data, manage your HR or human resources, manage your payroll, as I mentioned in the introduction. Because, and they even mention it here, your workforce or your employees is your greatest advantage over other businesses. So maintaining a culture or a positive culture between your employees is a must, and UKG Ready helps you maintain that. And you can also be intentional about your culture, so you can manage it, you can overview it, and you can edit the every aspect that you want to help your employees thrive and your business grow. Also, some testimonials and some quick links right here. Now, if you go again to the solutions and let's see the workforce management and payroll solutions. You get powerful payroll and workforce management solutions for global enterprises. So it's not only for local companies or enterprises. You can go global with UKG. Streamlining payroll. You can streamline payroll, workforce management, and compliance with a solution built for today's business. Now let's scroll down to explore more. Here you see another testimonial and why UKG for workforce management and pay, why you should choose it. They give you some reasons here. You can drive efficiencies in time and pay, so you can automate the processes and work smarter with tax jurisdiction loop, with tax jurisdiction lookup, intelligent shift swaps, proactive alerts, and more. And you can also seamlessly integrate it with your HRIS or ERP in order to leverage a modern cloud platform with intelligent analytics. And finally, you can secure the trust of your teams by helping your employees feel financially confident with tools designed to relieve administrative burden and ensure accuracy. Also, some features here. You get an advanced technology that helps you secure the trust of your people, as I mentioned. You can consolidate solutions and elevate performance of your workforce, and have a smarter approach to workforce management and payroll, which makes it easier for you to run your business by focusing on stuff that matters more, since the payroll and workforce management are already managed by UKG. Okay, now let's go back to solutions and let's explore all the solutions this time. And here you can see all the categories of solutions. And you can choose any of them to read more about it. However, let's go ahead for solutions for, let's say, small businesses. Let's say I'm a small business owner, I'm not an enterprise, and I want to check out how UKG can help me. UKG can help grow your business for you by empowering your people and taking your workplace challenges with a flexible, all-in-one HR, payroll, time, and culture solution for your workforce or your employees. And here they tell you that you can save on average 70 hours per day reviewing employee time. And this is time saved by UKG because it does the reviewing times for you. Now, here they give you some features as why you should consider them as your business solution or your small business solution. You can streamline your HR or human resources tasks and processes. You can ensure accurate and timely payroll for your employees. You can attract the best talent or recruit the best candidates for the job. You can simplify timekeeping and scheduling for your employees' leave and arrival times. And you can reduce non-compliance risk. Also, you can easily connect your other business tools with UKG. So if you have used or if you are using another business tool, you can easily connect it with UKG. Finally, let's say you want to get started here. If I click on Get Started, you have two options. You cannot directly subscribe. You can speak with the sales agents and they will eventually help you decide which plan is better for you. Or you can watch the product demo or just add your information and submit it and the sales will contact you. Now you have UKG Pro and UKG Ready, but since in this video I'm focusing on UKG Ready, you can take a quick tour here or register for live demo. If I click on register for live demo, I need to add my information and they will contact me to arrange a 1-hour HR and payroll software demo for me. Now let's go back. And if I click on take a quick tour, I need to provide my business email and be able to watch the tour. So whether you are looking for only payroll management, workforce culture management, or HR solutions, UKG has it all. I do highly encourage you to go ahead and try the demo for yourself. And I'm sure you'll find this tool pretty helpful for your business.